Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of Papa's Pancakeria. I'm clicking the play button. Why is it not working? Okay, there we go. We got cinnamon. Cinnamon. That is it. This is episode 9, day 9. Hey, yeah, Curry. Hey, Peggy. I'll get to you guys later. Oh my god, why is my laptop so freaking laggy? I can't even stop recording. Okay, guys. How the hell am I gonna stop recording if it doesn't let me stop recording? It is lagging way too much. It doesn't even let me stop recording. What the F? Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Just problems that happen. How am I gonna stop recording? So now I have to make this video 10 minutes long so I can stop recording. Because my limit of recording is 10 minutes. And if I don't. And when it automatically gets to 10 minutes, it stops recording for me. BS, man. Sorry, guys, for my language. I just got really mad. Oh, great. I didn't even add the syrup. Sorry, Nick. So from the last past couple of weeks, um, actually, I've been, I've seen. I don't know. I'm just getting the feeling I should tell you guys how old I am. Man, I really wish I win the MacBook from our RCO Beauty 101. I wish so bad I could win it. Cause literally, look at how laggy it is right now for you guys and me. It is so annoying. Oh, great! Oh, I could pick it up like that? Okay, good. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just kind of raging right now because, I mean, are you serious? And I don't even know I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. It's just automatically gonna start recording in 10 minutes. It could even be right now. I don't even know. It's gonna automatically stop recording in 30 seconds. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys later in another episode. It's automatically just gonna start recording in 10 minutes. So, yeah.